Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to your favorite channel on YouTube, Crypto Jet. Let me know if you like the video and subscribe, do something like that. Before we get into it, that's all I wanted to say. So let's get right into Uniswap. We can see a downtrend right here being broken out of. We can see some interesting technicals that we're going to cover right about now. Okay, so we have a price floor at about the $15 mark. This is a very important price floor because, as we can see, the price continually sort of bounces up and down from it, right? So at this point, we see a liquidity wick. So the price actually came back down pretty hard, broke through all the way up until the $13 mark, and there was tremendous buying pressure from below, which pushed the price back up into the zone. So a lot of people, you can say, actually managed to buy this coin at a beautiful price or at a discount at any of these points on the wick, right? So right now, what is happening is we're gonna move on to the 4-hour time frame and take a closer look. So we see a beautiful downtrend, right? We can see, I should do these things before I actually record the video, but I like to do them live so you can see how I actually how I analyze the chart in real life, right? So we have all of these touches right here. And at this point, we're basically seeing the price following this 50 period moving average, right? So every time it hits the moving average right here, every time it hits it, it sort of goes down, right? So right now we're hitting it again, but every time we're hitting it, it's sort of going less and less down, right? We're creating somewhat of a price floor, as I said. So at this point right here, we're seeing a double bottom formation. We are seeing, are we seeing an RSI divergence perhaps? Yes, we are. So you see this point right here. How do I actually plot this? So in any case, I'm just gonna plot this really quickly so we can see that the RSI is actually increasing. The RSI relative strength index, it's an indicator showing how oversold or overbought a currency is. So it's increasing while the price is actually decreasing. So between this point and this point, which means that very soon we're going to start seeing a overbought type of system, which means that the price is actually going to go upwards. And what happened? We actually broke out of this downtrend and are currently on the way to go upwards with the resistance of this 50 period moving average. See, these lines can actually act as resistances as well. So right now, what we can expect is potentially another hit or liquidity grab down below before another move breaking out of this zone of resistance. And what is the zone of resistance? It's this zone right about here. Okay, so that's an important zone. It's the $20 mark. We may go down, we may hit it, we may consolidate in this area a bit more, but at some point we're bound to break out of it and then continue moving upwards. That's about it for Uniswap. Let's move back on the daily chart. You can see the full picture right here. Really expect this coin to go up. It's one of the first and one of the best decentralized finance applications out there on the internet, and it definitely has some uses in the future. So thank you everyone for joining, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.